Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of hair care, uncovering the secrets that have been hidden from you for far too long. Are you tired of endless searches online for solutions to your hair loss problems, only to be bombarded with expensive chemical treatments? Well, you're in luck because we've got something different for you. Introducing the Hair Luminance Ebook, your ultimate guide to regaining control over your hair health. Inside, you won't find any gimmicks or expensive products. Instead, we're sharing natural recipes that have been kept under wraps, designed specifically to stimulate hair growth and rejuvenate your locks. Now you might be wondering, why haven't you heard about these methods before? It's simple, because they work and they don't require you to break the bank. Our mission is clear: to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve the hair of your dreams without emptying your wallet. But here's the best part. These methods aren't just some generic tips you can find anywhere online. No, these are insider secrets, carefully curated and tested to ensure maximum effectiveness. You won't find them anywhere else but right here. So if you're ready to say goodbye to hair loss and hello to luscious, vibrant locks, then you're in the right place. Join us on this journey to unlock the potential of your hair and discover a newfound confidence like never before. Don't let the industry dictate what you should do with your hair. Take control today with Hair Luminance and unleash the beauty that's been waiting to shine. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, your hair deserves the best.